Hi, in front of me is Cat S42 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and tap on it. Then click on the month above and pick a date. After that, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, set up starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people, choose location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done and even take notes. When you're done, click save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by clicking on it, tapping on the three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then confirming your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!